In the realm of dragon riders, where humans and dragons coexist, there's an academy that trains young dragons to become the best riders they can be. But what happens when a human enrolls? Hi, welcome to the first episode of Dragon Academy. Our story begins with a young girl named Piper who lives in a world where humans and dragons live side by side. Dragons are revered as magnificent creatures, often serving as loyal companions or mounts for courageous riders. However, humans and dragons have separate societies and rarely interact. One day, Piper discovers that she is the only human accepted into the Dragon Academy, an institution renowned for training young dragons to become exceptional riders. As she steps into the academy, she's met with astonished stares from fellow students, all of whom are young dragons. Feeling like an outsider, Piper's determination to fit in and succeed despite the odds is put to the test. The academy is located high atop a mountain, making it both a physically and metaphorically challenging place to reach. This symbolizes the arduous journey Piper must undertake to earn the respect and acceptance of her dragon classmates. Upon arrival, she's greeted by the other students, who express their surprise at seeing a human. To make matters worse, the academy's headmaster, a wise old dragon named Ignis, informs Piper that she won't be allowed to leave until graduation. Now, Piper's spirit isn't dampened by this news. Instead, she's determined to prove herself and make the most out of this unique opportunity. Over the next few days, Piper dives into her studies, eager to learn everything there is to know about dragons and dragon riding. She learns about dragon culture, history, and the intricate bond between dragons and their riders. The curriculum is intense, covering topics such as aerial acrobatics, dragon physiology, and, of course, the art of dragon riding. Piper faces numerous challenges, particularly in mastering aerial combat and learning to fly on a dragon's back. At first, she struggles with coordinating her movements on such a large, powerful creature, but she perseveres, showing remarkable progress over time. As Piper excels in her studies, some of the other young dragons begin to warm up to her. They're impressed by her dedication and natural talent for dragon riding. Despite the progress, there are still many challenges ahead. One of the most daunting tasks is preparing for the Academy's annual Aerial Day, a spectacular event where students showcase their skills in front of the entire dragon community. The pressure is immense, and many young dragons, including Piper's closest friends, become nervous and even fearful of performing. In the lead up to the event, Piper and her dragon companion work tirelessly to perfect their routine. They practice intricate aerial maneuvers, synchronized fire-breathing techniques, and breathtaking dives. Through it all, Piper's determination and bond with her dragon shine through. Finally, Aerial Day arrives. The sky is filled with dragons of all shapes and sizes, each performing with grace and power. When it's Piper's turn to perform, she and her dragon execute their routine flawlessly. The crowd gasps in awe as they soar through the air, their movements perfectly in sync, but their triumph is short-lived. Suddenly, a rogue dragon interrupts the event, causing chaos and forcing everyone to take cover. In the midst of the panic, Piper notices that one of her fellow students is missing. Without hesitation, she sets off to find him, determined to help. Her search leads her to a secluded part of the academy where she finds the missing dragon. It turns out that he was trying to impress the others by attempting a dangerous maneuver, but he lost control and crashed. Realizing that he's hurt, Piper quickly springs into action, using her knowledge of dragon anatomy and first aid to tend to his wounds. As she cares for the injured dragon, Piper realizes that true friendship and bravery are more important than any competition or performance. Her act of kindness and compassion wins over the other dragons, and they rally together to help their injured friend. Together, Piper and the other dragons work to stabilize the injured dragon, ensuring his survival. This experience brings the class closer together, forging strong bonds of friendship and solidifying Piper's place among them. And so, with newfound friendships and a deeper understanding of dragon culture, Piper prepares for the rest of her studies at the Dragon Academy. She knows that the road ahead will be challenging, but she's no longer just a human at a dragon school. She's Piper, the brave and compassionate student who has earned the respect and admiration of her peers.